Hey guys, I'm finally back and I am so glad to be here. I will have a video up soon explaining why I've been MIA, so keep an eye out for that. I also noticed that I have several new subscribers and I am so glad to have you here. I'll be back to my regular schedule of once weekly with cleaning motivation, decoration, organization, and just general lifestyle videos. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let's get into cleaning this house. I'm going to start by tidying up my room and making the bed and just putting things away, and then we'll get into the actual cleaning.
If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you.
I know you're probably thinking, what in the world is she doing? But these pillow covers do not come off, so I just wash the entire pillow and dry it, and so it gets kind of lumpy, so I've got to work the lumps out.
Too lonely to be done my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't know. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the rain. Am I the only one? 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 Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not.
I just wanted to get everything wiped down and dusted before moving on to the kitchen, and also let you know that I'm working on my home office since I'm now working at home full time, and I'm gonna have a video going through that process, so keep an eye out for that as well. Hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video.
We both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't know. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
And now we're starting in the kitchen by unloading and reloading the dishwasher, which is a never-ending cycle in my house. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I never have any clean dishes because somehow we forget to start it, and then the dishwasher is full of dirty dishes and the sink piles up with dirty dishes, and then it's just overwhelming.
You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this.
Now I'm just going to give all the appliances a quick wipe down to get all the fingerprints and dirt off.
Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna try.
I know you're thinking, why in the world is she vacuuming her stove? Because it gets crumbs built up all around the edges and it's the hardest thing to clean, so I just vacuum it. Easy peasy.
The summer night,
Now I'm just going to wipe everything down and then wipe down all the countertops and then move on to cleaning the sink.
Someday we will look back, and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive you to
I know I've mentioned this before, but I'm not a huge fan of the white countertops. Everything stains them, so I'm just using my magic eraser to remove all the stains. And now on to my favorite part, cleaning the sink. I'm just using some scrubbing bubbles to clean it. Am I the only one that hasn't been able to find any type of bleach cleaner or bathroom and kitchen cleaner? Since COVID, it's been almost impossible to find.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now.
Now I'm just dropping in a Plink lemon scented garbage disposal cleaner.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
Now I'm just going to finish the sink off by wiping it down with the Method stainless steel cleaner. This is by far my favorite product to clean this sink. It actually brings the shine back and takes away all the stains. I love it.
Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
Moving into the living room, I'm just going to pick everything up and tidy up a little bit. Then I'm going to dust all the furniture and vacuum.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah,
My leather furniture stays dusty all the time. It drives me crazy.
yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
We play a lot of Fortnite in this house, and we usually have all of the controllers and headsets scattered all over the living room.
Caroline, I think about you all the time, like you're a friend of mine. Screen lights up when you come online.
I'm just going to finish up today's video by vacuuming. I really appreciate you guys stopping by and watching. I'm so glad to be back and uploading content. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Take a